Good morning, ma'am. I am Ninyo Intubak, BSL Mathematics from Nursery Lewan San Macarena. So, let me ask you, it is okay to the part of our interview. So, how many years are you teaching in the department?
I have been teaching for almost 13 years.
Very nice. So, this is the big question. In what ways does mathematics allow us to predict and prepare for the future?
Mathematics, as we all know, it is everywhere. Even we are in our toddler years, 2 years old, we know arithmetic. No, one, we teach children how to count 1, 2, 3. So, how does mathematics help us predict future? Mathematics can help us identify the pattern from the past to our present. So, for example, there are a lot of ways. For example, in the forecast of typhoon, we use mathematics to predict how the typhoon hit our area. No? There is a pattern. In economics, the inflation rate, no, of the economy and the interest for bank. So interest, the profit, and we also have mathematics and engineering, of how they are going to build the highways, the bridge, of how we're going to make a plan for that. Na mas ligpon ang lahang gampo niya infrastructure. And also in our daily lives as human, no? We got to plan for our budget. That is mathematics, no? Plan for the future. So mathematics is everywhere. And it is mathematics plays a very big part from the past to our future. That's all.
Thank you for your wonderful answer, ma'am.
Morning sir, we're from Nursery BSc. My name is Denver Garcia. We are from BSed Math majors. And my question sir is, how many years have you been in teaching and what is your unique and how many years you've been teaching?
So I'm Alvin John Chula Balasabas, and I was also from undergraduate at Mauricio BSc, and as of now I'm doing 6 years in teaching.
Our big question here is, what ways does mathematics allow us to predict and prepare for the future?
Okay?
In what ways does mathematics allow us to predict and prepare for the future?
Okay, so for that question, we all know that everything around us involves mathematics, and knowing the basics of mathematics help us to think critically. It helps us to solve problems, no, bisag mga basic problems lang, and even no, bisag dili kay siya makaingon nga tanan nga lessons in mathematics are applicable yun, but by the process of kanang magthink critically in mathematics and solving, it also helps us to find solutions to our bigger problems. It helps us to systematically arrange or break down complex ideas and provide solutions to our problems. Unsa pa muna siya mga problems. Mathematics is kanang usa na siya sa mga nakakatabang sa mga tao to solve problems and also kanang to analyze problems.
Okay, thank you sir.